Introduction to the poem When Great Trees Fall by Maya Angelou. Maya Angelou's poem When Great Trees Fall is a powerful reflection on loss and its impact. The poem uses the metaphor of great trees falling to describe the passing of influential people. Their absence shakes the world, but over time, it also brings clarity and inspires strength in those left behind. The poem is a tribute to the enduring legacy of great individuals and the resilience of those who mourn them. Here is a line by line explanation of the entire poem. This can help you in your understanding. Lines 1 to 2. When great trees fall, rocks on distant hills shudder. These lines mean when powerful and influential figures pass away, symbolized by great trees, their loss is so significant that it impacts even faraway places, represented by rocks on distant hills. This shows how deeply their presence is felt. Lines 3 to 4. Lions hunker down in tall grasses. These lines mean even the strongest, like lions, feel the weight of this loss and retreat into silence or mourning, overwhelmed by the event. Lines 5 to 6. And even elephants lumber after safety. These lines mean majestic and wise beings, like elephants, are also affected, seeking comfort or security in the face of such a monumental loss. Lines 7 to 8. When great trees fall in forests. These lines mean the metaphor of trees continues, emphasizing how the loss of influential individuals shakes the very foundation of life, just as the fall of great trees alters an entire forest. Lines 9 to 10. Small things recoil into silence, their senses eroded beyond fear. These lines mean smaller or more vulnerable beings are stunned by the loss, becoming silent and numb, unable to process what has happened. Lines 15 to 16. See with a hurtful clarity. These lines mean grief sharpens our awareness, making us painfully realize the depth of the loss and the irreplaceable nature of the person we've lost. Lines 17 to 18. Our memory, suddenly sharpened, examines. These lines mean our memories become vivid as we recall moments spent with the departed. Their influence and presence become clearer in hindsight. Lines 19 to 20. These lines mean loss on kind words unsaid. We regret the things we didn't say, especially the kind and loving words that could have expressed how much they meant to us. Lines 21 to 22. Promised walks, never taken. These lines mean the poem also reflects on missed opportunities and unfulfilled plans, highlighting the pain of lost chances. Lines 23 to 24. Great souls die and our reality, bound to them, takes leave of us. These lines mean when great individuals pass away, our world feels like it has changed entirely. The reality that was tied to their presence disappears. Lines 25 to 26. Our minds, formed and informed by their radiance, fall away. The wisdom and influence they brought to our lives become a foundation that we feel we've momentarily lost in their absence. Lines 27 to 28. We are not so much maddened as reduced to the unutterable ignorance. The loss doesn't drive us crazy but makes us feel lost and small, like we don't know how to move forward without them. Lines 29 to 30. Of dark, cold caves. Grief feels like being trapped in a dark and lonely place, as if life has lost its warmth and light. Lines 31 to 32. And when great souls die, after a period peace blooms. Over time, however, healing begins. The pain softens, and we start to feel peace again as we reflect on their legacy. Lines 33 to 34. Slowly and always, irregularly. These lines mean This healing process is slow and unpredictable, coming in waves and not in a straight line. Lines 35 to 36. Spaces fill with a kind of soothing electric vibration. These lines mean the void left by their absence begins to fill with their memory and the influence they had on the world, which continues to inspire and comfort us. Lines 37 to 38. Our senses, restored, never to be the same, whisper to us. These lines mean we regain our strength and move forward, but we are forever changed by their loss and their impact on our lives. Lines 39 to 40. They existed. They existed. We can be and be better. For they existed. These lines mean the poem ends with a powerful affirmation. The memory of great individuals inspires us to live better lives, honoring their existence and continuing their legacy. That ends the explanation of the poem. Now let us discuss the themes of this poem. We come across the theme of loss and grief. The poem captures the emotional impact of losing someone important. The poem also captures the theme of healing and legacy. It shows how, over time, grief turns into inspiration, and the memory of the departed helps us grow. Finally, the poem reflects the theme of resilience. Even in the face of great loss, life continues, and we are encouraged to be better because of those we have loved and lost. Overall, we may say, the poem, When Great Trees Fall, is a deeply moving poem that reminds us of the significance of great individuals in our lives and how their legacy carry on, inspiring us to move forward with strength and purpose. If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.